Today, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison of two top-quality segment contenders in the all-season tire market, the Kumho Solus 4S HA32 Plus and the Toyo Celsius AS2. Both of these tires are designed to deliver outstanding year-round performance, but which one comes out on top? Let's break it down. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Kumho Solus 4S HA32 Plus set as the reference point at 100%. In wet conditions, the Kumho Solus 4S HA32 Plus takes the lead, stopping at 35.1 meters, which is 1.3 meters shorter than the Toyo Celsius AS2 stopping distance of 36.4 meters. However, when it comes to straight-line aquaplaning resistance, the Toyo Celsius AS2 outperforms the Kumho by handling speeds up to 78.4 kilometers per hour before losing grip, compared to Kumho's average speed of 73.4 kilometers per hour. This difference can be crucial for maintaining control during heavy rain. In snowy conditions, the Kumho Solus 4S HA32 Plus clearly dominates, stopping in just 10.6 meters compared to the Toyo Celsius AS2's 11.7 meters in snow-breaking tests. It also offers better snow traction with a pulling force of 223.2 newtons, significantly higher than Toyo's 191.4 newtons, making the Kumho a reliable choice for winter driving. On icy surfaces, the Kumho Solus 4S HA32 Plus continues to impress, stopping at 19.6 meters, which is 1.6 meters shorter than the Toyo Celsius AS2 stopping distance of 21.2 meters. In terms of wear, the Kumho Solus 4S HA32 Plus offers a lifespan of 50,600 kilometers, slightly longer than the Toyo Celsius AS2 50,200 kilometers. However, the Toyo Celsius AS2 has a lower abrasion rate at 59 milligrams per kilometers per ton, compared to Kumho's 69. Switching to dry conditions, the Toyo Celsius AS2 outperforms the Kumho Solus 4S HA32 Plus, stopping at 43.2 meters compared to Kumho's stopping distance of 44.1 meters. When it comes to noise levels, the Toyo Celsius AS2 is slightly quieter, producing 71.5 decibels compared to the Kumho Solus 4S HA32 Plus 71.9 decibels, while in fuel consumption is almost neck and neck, with the Kumho Solus 4S HA32 Plus being marginally more efficient. In summary, the Kumho Solus 4S HA32 Plus shines in wet, snow, and ice, while the Toyo Celsius AS2 excels in dry braking and abrasion. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.